Welcome to another episode of Tech Tips. Today we are going over scheduling and blackout dates. When you are scheduled, you will receive alerts about the request to serve. For desktop, the alerts come in the church database. If you need to know how to access the database, you can go to our website, fbclascruces.com, more, and then your church profile. Over here we have notifications saying you have been scheduled. And view request takes us to the request page. If you're available, you hit accept, and it's good to go. If you're not available, you can decline. If you decline, there's three options. You can swap with another volunteer. You can filter by service and the people that are available and swap with them. Swapping with someone means they'll fill in for you, and at a later date, you'll fill in for them. Swapping is only successful if the other person accepts your request. The second option is replace. The people here are not scheduled to work that day, and you can select them and send the request. Replace looks at replacing you with another volunteer who is not scheduled but is eligible to be scheduled in that position. You can send the request to as many people as you need to. The third option is decline. You let the leader know you couldn't find somebody to fill your position, and the leader will take care of it. If you're looking to set up blackout dates, we can go to unavailability. And here we can set our blackout dates. I will be out of town these days. And now it's in the system, and your leader cannot schedule you. It'll list a conflict. Another option we can do while we're in the database is scheduling preferences. You can select how many services per month you would like to work, how many services per day, and how often you would like to be scheduled in the department. Now for mobile, it's similar. Let's take a look. If you're on mobile, you will receive notifications. One, a text saying you are scheduled to serve if you set up your profile to receive SMS. The text you can respond yes or no. Another is through the app. The app gives you the same as the desktop. You can accept the position or decline, which also gives you the same three options that the desktop did. To swap with someone who's available, to replace with somebody who's not scheduled, or to decline altogether. If you need to set out your blackout dates, up in the upper left we have our menu and unavailability, where we can schedule I'm out of town next week. Submit, and now that's saved. Also, under the volunteering section, we can set up our scheduling preferences, where we can say how often we would like to be scheduled to serve, and save. And that's it for mobile. A final option is through email. You can accept or decline from the email you receive. By clicking decline, it opens up the web page where you're logged in, and then you can do the three decline options from there. That's it for this episode of Tech Tips.